Well, hello guys, how are you all doing today? Right now, I'm uploading a new Dan's Adventure video. It's going to be at 14 minutes. And something slipped my mind. My Nhandu chromatus molted, the white-striped bird eater. It's kind of expected it to, because I kind of saw that during the recent feeding video. So, let's check her out. This is Nadia. I don't know if this is mature or not. Put this on macro so you can actually see the colors. It's actually looking pretty sweet. Let me... don't see double hooks yet, so this could be a good sign. Could be an immature male or it could be a female. So you can see the fangs are still blood red. So right now it's really not an appropriate time to feed her. This is Nadia. And I have the molt right here, so let me try to see if I can salvage it and open it up so you can actually see if it's indeed a male or a female. I'm kind of excited. Alright, so now we're in the kitchen. Let me just go bring on the house lights. Sweet. Okay, so here is the molt. So, show you how I do it again. So I have the tripod set up here. Okay, so what we're gonna need first is a little cup. So something like that will be fine. So hope you can see where I'm pointing to, the sink. You can use lukewarm water or cold water, it doesn't really matter. And take some soap, ordinary dishwashing soap like Ultra or Palmolive. You don't want too much in there, so that's just fine. Yeah, stir it with your fingers. Ooh, this is really cold. And I just hope I could just salvage this molt and see and open it up whether or not I could see if it's a male or female. So now, get the molt in here, put it in, and just literally press it down. So hopefully by doing this, it's going to make the molt much more malleable, which is you can bend and stretch it. Well, you can't really stretch it because it will break. But then you just let it sit like that, and you wait a couple of minutes. So now you get a little plate. Fortunately, I have one like this. Take the molt out, set it on the plate. Ugh. And then you let it dry for a couple of minutes. Alright, so now it's been a couple of minutes. So now you take some skewers, you know, for your shish kebab or souvlakis, and you try to open up the abdomen area. Sometimes you'll do fine, sometimes you won't. And this one looks mangled up, so I don't know if I could try to salvage this. You gotta be really careful. Okay, this is the carapace right here. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, this is a mess. This is a mangled mess. I don't think I can salvage this. Come on. It's an okay molt, but let's see. Oh no, I'm ripping it. This doesn't look like a very good molt because I just ripped it. Shoot. Nah, it wasn't really a great molt. You can see right now I tried the best as I can to pry it open, and look what it did. It didn't do a very good job at it. Oh well, but you know, for the record, I do possibly think it's a female, just because the way that size. I used to have another one, if you guys remember Nick, my mature male. That's the one that he died while he was molting. He was a mature male. He was going through his post-ultimate molt. So unfortunately, because the molt got stuck in his hooks, he didn't really make it. So fingers crossed for a female. I just have to do a little ventral sex on her. So wish me luck, guys, and that's it. So yeah, I'm really kind of upset about Gretel, but well, what can you do? So I'll let her molt, feed her again, and like I said, I'll try to mate her a third time. You know, T-blondies are really difficult to mate, as Spider Owner 69 has told me, but you know, I really shouldn't feel too bad. It was kind of expected to, but oh well, you know, that's the beauty of the hobby. You just keep trying and trying. And as for the tour video, I'm probably going to make it either tomorrow morning or the day after, whichever day I'm available. So that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep you posted on some more tea molts and mating updates and just filming some random teas. Alright guys, see you later.